Install the Cash app to get $20, the PayPal app to get $15, another app to get $30, and so on. Any app you choose, including those for social media, income, and gaming, is available for download. Each app you install will earn you up to $30 when you do so. You can do this from anywhere in the globe as long as you have a smartphone device with an internet connection, and it practically functions in every nation. There are a ton of different ways to generate money online right now, but since downloading apps is one of the simplest ways to do it, we'll focus on it today. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. They also work closely with many important companies. People are simply gushing about the sums of money they are generating through the numerous platforms that I have extensively researched and will now share with you. There are many ways to make money here, one of which is by downloading apps. By completing different paid surveys, registering for websites, viewing films, and engaging in a variety of other activities, you can make money. Visit ysense.com, enter your email address, choose a secure password for your account, and click Join Now to register. You'll have full access to all of the available apps, and you'll get paid in real money each time you download one. If you want to get the most out of this website, I strongly suggest you look into its referral program because it pays lifetime commissions of over 30%. This entails that you can copy your referral link for ysense.com and share it with friends, family members, and anybody else you know who appreciates making money online. If they start making money, you will get 30% of their prospective earnings. You will still make money even if they bring in $1,200 because just one referral will earn you $360 in pure passive revenue. With referrals, you'll produce more passive money. Another website that will pay you even more is getpaidto.com. The advantage of this website is that you may make money by downloading games to your smartphone, which is surely something we all do daily. It costs money to download certain games and apps. You can earn money in several ways, such as through completing surveys, short activities, and online offers. All of these things will take far more time and effort than downloading apps. Downloading an app only takes a couple of minutes, and you may start getting paid right immediately. To start downloading the games for free, go to getpaidto.com, click Join Free today, and fill out the registration form. On this website, 5,000 points are needed to withdraw $1, hence 50,000 points are needed to earn $10. You can relax because each app and game you install will earn you considerably more points. The biggest feature is that they accept a wide range of payment options, including bank transfers, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, PayPal Money, Skrill, and other gift cards. Just sign up, and you may start earning a lot of money. The fourth website where consumers can get money by installing free apps is prizeable.com. This is my favorite because you don't have to wait at all to get paid. It takes around 5 seconds to sign up, download a couple of applications, and get paid right away. You can get paid using PayPal and other methods including gift cards, Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and Walmart gift cards. That's it for today. Please like and comment and press the bell icon for more updates.